activities we will be participating in on that day. Minister of Defense and National Security of the Republic of Fiji, the Honorable Ratu Enoch Babula, MP, the Minister of Police of the Independent State of Papua New Guinea, the Honorable Robert Atiafa, MP, the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Mr. Willie Ben, representing the Minister of Police of the Republic of Vanuatu, Associate Member of MSG, Excellencies, Senior Officials, Director General, and staff of the MSG Secretariat, ladies and gentlemen. Before I do start my message, may I once again officially acknowledge the traditional landowners of this land on which Tana Hotel is situated and in which we are privileged to enjoy its facilities. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this inaugural Police Ministers meeting here in Nadi, the Republic of Fiji. I hope you all enjoyed your stay here, especially the hospitalities extended to you and your delegates since your arrival in Nadi. At the outset, I wish to express my most profound gratitude to the government of the Republic of Fiji Islands for hosting the meeting and for the financial support extended to ministers in member countries to be able to attend this important meeting. Thank you for the extraordinary reception accorded to ministers and their delegations since our arrival here in Nadi, Fiji. Let me also take this opportunity to express my most sincere and profound appreciation to you, colleague ministers, your senior officials, representatives, for your unwavering support to our organization and for taking time out of your busy schedules to attend this very important meeting. Your presence here today demonstrates your commitment to a secure and peaceful Melanesia. It reflects our common beliefs that holds us together and to ensure the realization of the needs and aspirations of all our people. Colleague ministers, I am pleased to inform you that our leaders have approved this establishment of the Police Ministers meeting, PMM, during the recent Special Leaders Summit held in Honiara, Solomon Islands in July this year. The Police Ministers meeting will provide an avenue for discussing important security and police matters concerning the Melanesian Spearhead Group and provide appropriate recommendations to our leaders. The agreement establishing the MSG Article 3 recognized the importance of aligning policies in order to further MSG members' shared goals of economic growth, sustainable development, good governance, peace, and of course, security. Colleague ministers, we gathered here today to address and to consider a number of important security and police initiatives that had been approved by our leaders and to find ways to advance them in the years ahead. I am pleased to note some positive progress by our Secretariat to advance the Department of the Peacekeeping work since its establishment was approved by our leaders in 2013 in New Caledonia. This is an important initiative that will ensure our police forces are empowered to participate and contribute to global and regional peace and harmony. I am also pleased to inform you that our leaders have signed the framework agreement for the MSG formed police unit. The agreement establishing the Regional Police Academy and the Memorandum of Agreement for the Humanitarian and Emergency Response Coordinating Center. Colleague ministers, in the face of ever-increasing natural and man-made disasters and emerging threats to peace and security, it is incumbent on us as leaders of our region to advance these initiatives to full realization and to put them into operations as soon as practical. The process of our collective efforts will be determined by the implementation of this approved security initiative to ensure that we deliver tangible solutions and benefits that will contribute to the welfare of our people. Colleague ministers, you will agree with me that our Secretariat also needs adequate resources to be able to deliver a number of important mandates and decisions of our leaders. I therefore kindly urge you to ensure we enable the Secretariat to function effectively, thus delivering the mandates set by our leaders. It will not be easy, but I firmly believe that success comes with a price of perseverance and determination. Our MSG is a unique organization. Our MSG member countries comprise of majority of the Pacific Island countries, land resources, more than 90% of its population, and with the greatest wealth of natural resources and the largest economy. Our MSG country share a rich history, culture, customs, and values, which we hold dear to our hearts. This is our heritage and pride that we ought to promote to the global community in a peaceful way. We as leaders, therefore, have a greater responsibility to ensure our decisions have positive impacts on the lives of our people. We must shoulder this responsibility with wisdom and care. Finally, let me thank you, Director General, and your staff for tirelessly assisting the host country, Fiji, to convene this inaugural police ministers meeting. Colleague ministers, excellencies, senior officials, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all for your attention at this meeting, attendance at this meeting, and I now, with much pleasure, declare open this session of this pre-summit foreign ministers meeting here in Nadi, Fiji. I thank you for your attention. Thank you, Tomas, and Binaka Wakalib.
We're going to have a politics.
Yes. Yeah, we had a very good meeting yesterday. The transport ministers meeting and
Oh, sorry.